Welcome to Huntley Disposal, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Gladstone, Missouri. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a commercial project, or a community cleanup, Huntley Disposal has the perfect dumpster. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, big or small. Our dumpsters are durable, reliable, and ready to handle all your waste disposal needs. Our team of experts is here to help you choose the right dumpster for your project. We pride ourselves on providing exceptional customer service and competitive pricing. At Huntley Disposal, we understand the importance of your time. We take care of everything from delivery to pickup, allowing you to focus on your project without added stress. When your project is complete, we'll promptly pick up your filled dumpster, ensuring your site is clean and clutter-free. From household junk to construction debris, our dumpsters can handle it all. We make waste disposal simple and hassle-free. Experience the convenience and reliability of Huntley Disposal. Visit our website at www.huntleydisposal.com. Dumpster Rental Gladstone MO, or call us today at 816-532-1065 to get started. Choose Huntley Disposal, where exceptional service meets unbeatable convenience. Let's keep Gladstone clean together.